Today's lesson, area of triangles. The area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 the product of the base and the corresponding height. The base goes across, the height goes up and forms a 90-degree angle with the base. This is, again, the formula is 1/2 the base times the height. Remember, area is always in square units, so centimeters times centimeters would give you centimeters squared. First step, write the formula. Area equals 1/2 the base times the height. Then identify the base and the height of the triangle. Substitute in the numbers for the base and the height. Area equals 1/2 times 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32, and half of 32 is 16. So the area of this triangle is 16 feet squared. Write the formula. Area equals 1/2 the base and the height. Identify the base and the height of the triangle. Then substitute in the numbers for the variables for the base and the height. This gives you 1/2 times 12 times 10. The area equals 60 centimeters squared. Write the formula, 1/2 base times height. Substitute in the numbers for the base and the height. The base is 11, the height is 17. Then solve the problem by multiplying 1/2 times 11 times 17 for 93 and 4/10. I believe that should be 5/10 inches squared. Write the formula, 1/2 times the base times the height. Substitute in the base and the height of the base of 22 and the height of 20. Multiply the three numbers together. 1/2 times 22 times 20 for an area of 220 feet squared. A triangle has a base of 14 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters. Again, write the formula, 1/2 base times height. Substitute in the base and the height. It tells you the base is 14 and the height is 8. Multiply together and you get 56 centimeters squared. Sarah, the artist, is making a tile mosaic out of triangle-shaped tiles. The tiles are put together on a large board. Each tile has a base of 2 inches and a height of 3 inches. Sarah uses 150 tiles. What is the area of the mosaic? First, write the formula, 1/2 base times height. Substitute in the base and the height of the individual tile. The base is 2 and the height is 3. Multiply these together to get an area of 3 inches squared for each individual tile. Since Sarah is using 150 tiles, we will take that 3 inches squared times 150 tiles to get a total area of 450 inches squared.